Welcome everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a business flyer, and that's from Pixellab. So I got a message from a client. For an example, you got a message from a client asking you to make a business flyer for him or her. So these are the details. These are details will look like when a client sends you a details for a flyer. So he asked me to write these things: improve your communication skills, learn a straightforward process that allow you to express yourself. So these are the details. So I'll just go to my PixeLab app. So what's the next thing for me to do? Firstly, I'll change my background. I'll change my background to white. I want to use white. So after changing my background, I will import the picture. Import the picture. I've downloaded the picture already, so I'll just import it. Yes, let me use it like this. Yeah, I'm not okay with it, so I just increase the size. I'll leave it like this first. So what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to add the flyer details. So I'll just go back to my WhatsApp and copy. Let me copy the details. So back to my Pixellab. So a new test. I'll just lock this one here. This is where you lock when you lock it, it won't be able to move. So to test, new test, I want to add details. So I don't need all of this now. I'll just cut part of it. So this is what I need for now. So I'll just bring it to my design. I think I need it in capital letters. Improve your communication skills. So this is what I need, since it's the major test in there. So this is what I need as capital letters. So first thing I'll do on this test is to change the font. You change the font to any type of font you want. So I'll just use this font. Yes, I think I like this. So after changing the font, I increase the size. The next thing I want to do is to add the color. I'll just choose the color of the man's shirt. Yeah, I love this. So I think I'm good with this size like this. So I'm good with this size. I'll add the other test, another new test. So I'll just add the other test. Yes, these are the other tests. So I'll just add it to it. Reduce the size. Then change the font. Change the font to okay. This is it. I think I want to reduce the size. So after reducing the size, I don't want to change the color. I like the color like that. So the next thing for me to do is to just adjust and make sure the tests are in straight line. So I've made sure they are in straight line. Next thing for me to do is just to adjust them. I want to add the other details, the date, the access fee, the Facebook ID, WhatsApp number, and all other details. So I'll just add all our details on it. So I want to add this too. I want to reduce the size and make sure it's a straight line with, this is what we call alignment. I've explained that in my previous videos. So the speakers, I want to change the font. My font. Which font should I use? I'll just make use of a font of my choice. I don't like this. This is too bold. Let me check this place. Yeah, I think I'm good with this. So I'll just make sure it's aligned. And make sure everything is aligned. So that's it. The next thing to do is to add the other details. So I want to add date, I want to add the access fee, I want to add everything. So I'll just think of a way to add it to make it look unique. So I'll add a shape. After adding the shape, I'll just try and do something. I'll reduce the shape. That's where I'll be putting my date. So let me add a color first so you all can see what I'm doing. I've reduced the shape. So the next thing for me to do is I want to remove the opacity. I don't want it to show at all, so I've removed the opacity. So I want to add stroke to it, maybe like 3 is okay by me. So the stroke color, I'll make it how should I make it? Let me make it black, or this normal ash that I've been using. So I've not finished editing it. I want to add radius too. So I've added it. I'll just bring it down to where I want it to be. I think it's too big for me, so I'll try and reduce the size of the shape. Bring it down to the position back. So this is it. I want to write the date, the access fee, and I think that's all. So I'll just try and copy it. Before copying it, I would like to lock my letters, my font. So I'll just try and lock it so it will not move from where I've aligned it to before. So back to the shape, I want to copy, so I'll press copy. For the second one, for access fee, so I'll just bring it down. I'll adjust. So after doing all of these, make sure it's aligned. You can make use of this as your ruler. So the shapes are not aligned with it, so I'll try and align it with the ruler. Then the second one, yes, they are aligned. So that's where I'll be adding the date and the access fee. Then where I'll be writing the date, I'll try and copy this one again. Copy and bring it here. Let me delete it first. I'll delete it first. Let me write the date and the access fee so I won't be confusing you guys. New test. Date. Capital letters. So the next thing is to change my font. Reduce the size. I'll reduce the size. I think I'm okay with this. Then I'll bring it inside the box. So the next thing I want to do is to write the to add the access fee to the second box. So I'll just copy. After copying, I'll edit. Access fee. So that's it. I'll bring it down to the box. Oh, the box is too small for it, so I'll be editing the shape. So I'll just try and edit the shape. Let me check if this is okay. So I'll put in the access fee. Still not okay, so I'll have to edit the shape again. Then bring it to the box. Yes, I think this is good and better, but the box is still too big. But instead of trying to edit it again, you can just go to the size. So I want to reduce the width, so I'll just reduce the width. I've reduced it. So as access fee, I want to edit my text. It's not correct. The spelling is not correct. So this access fee. So I think I'm good with this. So the next thing I want to do is to add the date and the access fee. So I want it to look more beautiful. I don't just want to use the normal black and white. So what do? I'll add a shape. reduce it. Okay. I'll reduce it, then I'll choose a color. I'll choose the other color, the green. So I'll break it down. I think the shape is too big, so I'll have to edit the shape. Let me just reduce the size. Okay, reduce the height too. You just try to adjust it. So this is what you do. Then you want to add the access fee shape too. So just copy and break it down. So after doing all of this, I want to add the date and the access fee. So you can just try and copy the date. So you edit. After copying the date, just edit to the date. What's the date? The date is 30th of May 2022. You just write 30. Okay, let's do 30th May. Let's use capital letters. 2022. Then break it down to help you know that black will show on the white color, on the green color. So you have to change our text to white, so it will be able to show color white. Yep. The shape is too small for the text, so I'll just try and edit the shape. I'll just increase the width. So I hope it's okay like that. Still not okay, so I'll just copy the shape. I'm not copying the shape, I'll just press the shape from there, so I'll still increase the size. I think it's okay. Then my 30th of May, the TH is in small letters. I'll have to edit to capital letters. I think I have to reduce the size of my text, so it's okay like that. So that's the date. Then the access fee is 10,000 naira. So I'll just try and copy this one and edit 10,000 naira. I'll bring it down. I hope you can all see it. Just try and adjust it to the center. So that is it. Have you added everything? Okay, Facebook ID and WhatsApp number. Let's add his WhatsApp number and his Facebook ID. So WhatsApp, I'll just add a new text. Let's write contacts. I'm going to change the color, then I'm going to change the font. I'll just use this. I think I'm good with that. Then reduce the size, that's too big for contacts. I'll make sure it's on the straight line. Don't forget alignment and balance. So it's on the line already. So contacts. I think I should just add my WhatsApp and the WhatsApp number and the Facebook ID. The WhatsApp number 09078010850. Then the Facebook ID is what? Let me check. Lewis John. So that's it. And I have to reduce the size, that's too big for contacts. Yes. I'm not okay with the contact, so what do I do? I'll just try and add shape to it. Let me add my shape. Yeah, I'll be using a rectangle shape. I think this is good. So the color, I'll be using the green color. So I'll bring it down to this side. I'll make sure it's on the line. Yes, it's on the line. So I'll bring my text to the front. So green cannot show on green. I'll just change my text to color white. And I'll place it on the shape. The shape is not that okay. So I'll just increase the size of the shape. So I think that's good. Then bringing it down to the shape again. As a graphic designer, don't leave any stone unturned. Make sure everything is in place. So this is it. Since our contacts and everything is here, and everything is still looking plain. So what do you do to improve, to beautify your design? So just think of a thing to beautify your design, and what I can think of now is to use a shape. So just watch me how I use the shape. So I'll use circle. How do I use this? Change the color to green. Okay, so this size, adjust the size. So I'll just bring it up here. Wow, I think I'm loving this design already. So after bringing it up, what else do I do? Just be creative and look for a way to beautify your design. So after bringing it up here, what else do I do? I'll just copy and change the color of the second one. Edit. You just use the ash color we have been using and just bring it up here. Okay, so what else do I do to beautify it? Let me think of, okay, let me use another shape. I'll be using a rectangle, so I'm using the green color again. No, I want to add radius to it. Okay, so that's it. Let's bring it down. So I'll be showing everything. I'll just try and edit just to beautify it. Okay, I think it's okay that way. So what else I do? I don't just want it to look plain. I'm thinking of adding a white background, a picture to it. That will be a background. So let me try and import. My download, there should be some picture there. Okay, let me use this. Let me just use this. After doing like this, I'll just take it to the back. It's back. So you can see how this app works. So I think I love this. I love this already. So can I think of anything to add? Let me think of something. Okay, I think this is okay. This is okay. Is there anything my client wants me to add? I think that's all. So I'm through with my design. As you can see, I love this color combination and I love this design already. But this is okay. So I'll just try and save my design and business flyer. So I'll save as project first, just in case my client wants me to edit it or add some things to it. So I'll just save as project, so I'll be able to edit. Communication skills, communication. I think communication is enough. Communication. So I'll just press OK. Then you save as image. JPG is okay by me. Then save to gallery. Yeah, your image is saved to your gallery. So this is the end of today's class. I hope you've learned how to design a business flyer. It's not hard. It's just creativity. So I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope to see your design too. So thanks for joining and thanks for watching. Bye bye.